Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking, sharing, and of course subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a banner for my son's birthday to go on his high chair. Alright, so stick around if you want to see that. I'm starting by just laying it out how I want it on Cricut Design Space, and then I'm gonna get my glitter cardstock, put it on my mat, and just cut it. This is how they look. Now I'm gonna cut out the circles, right? And I chose to use black and gold for this. And I wanted something simple, right? Now I'm gonna cut out 3 strips of glitter cardstock. So I'm cutting them. This is I think 1 inch. Yes, I'm cutting them 1 inch. So I'm just making sure that it is the same size. Alright, now I'm gonna also cut these at 1 inch, right? And I'm using yellow and black, right? So I'm gonna cut some strips, maybe about 10 or 15 I used. So I'm just making sure that they're all the same size so that they look uniform. All done. These are the strips. go check it out. You like it? One. Hey, boo boo. I'm just checking out the tripod.